to remake the time lapse so you can watch it grow. Dissolve all the unwanted crystal seeds at the bottom of the container with boiling water to reuse it. Pour them back into the container and then add more borax to it until the solution is saturated.
The next day.
But actually, the growing time of the crystals varies. After taking out your crystal, reheat the solids in the container to dissolve it.
The next day.
Please repeat the dissolving and adding borax step to grow the crystal as many times as you want. The more times you do, the bigger your crystal will be. Now here's an additional part for you to make colorful crystals. You can even do the step starting from the beginning.
The next day.
I'll give you some tips on how to grow a large single crystal successfully. Firstly, everything should be free from dirt or undissolved solid, because dirt serves as a nucleation site for crystals to grow. Crystals may even grow on the dirt instead of on the crystal seed. Secondly, put your crystal in undisturbed places with constant temperature, like in a cupboard, because when there's sudden hot temperatures, the crystal may be dissolved. You may wonder, why would it dissolve? Allow me to explain this in terms of solubility. Solubility is the maximum quantity of solute that can be dissolved in a fixed amount of solvent at a given temperature. When temperature increases, the solubility of solute increases. That means the same amount of solvent can dissolve more solute at a higher temperature. In this case, the higher temperature enables the solvent to dissolve the crystal. Thirdly, slow evaporation is the key to happiness. Oh wait, it's key to the big crystal. So once again, don't put your crystals under high temperatures. Remember, crystals can only be grown in saturated solutions. A saturated solution means that the maximum amount of solute has already been dissolved into the solvent, and no more solute can be dissolved in that given temperature. Thank you so much for watching, and bye! 請訂閱及讚好此頻道，更多精彩內容將會發放。